I can't tell you more strongly how much of a friend fiber is to you. And if you ever have a blowout, like I did on the weekend, eating too much sugar and junk food and chips or whatever, one of the quick go-to things you can do is literally get a cup of water, put a spoon of K2 fiber in it, or you can use psyllium. You can even use chia seed or flaxseed ground and drink that back. And that hit of fiber will immediately help regulate your blood sugars and prevent such a big spike. So that's the most concentrated form of fiber, is either K2 fiber or, psyllium. That's why we add that to a lot of the foods you make, because it really helps with regulating your blood sugars, with slowing the release of blood sugar so your body can handle it better. But there's heaps of foods that contain high fiber. It's all the things that we teach you to eat. So it's beans, lentils, oats, vegetables, dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds. So they're really, really crucial, is these high fiber foods. Carol, I would say unless you are getting gut pain, constipation or diarrhea, then you're not getting too much fiber. Unless you're supplementing a lot, I would think it would be very hard to get too much fiber. Yes, the psyllium is amazing. K2 fiber is even more amazing because it actually feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. So it's really good for gut health. So check it out.